Xiaomi launched its gaming smartphone called the Black Shark 2 in India. The Black Shark 2 packs impressive specs that we'll talk about in a bit. Gadgets 360 was present at the scene, and this is our first look at this gaming smartphone. The Black Shark 2 comes with a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It's good to see that there is no notch at the front, but the thin bezels at the top and bottom make it look a bit dated. The company says that the smartphone has a low latency touchscreen with a latency of 43 ms. The display also features a pressure sensing technology called Master Touch, which is similar to Apple's 3D Touch that we have seen on multiple iPhones. Being a gaming smartphone, the Black Shark 2 comes with liquid cooling technology to keep the heat in check while gaming. There's a dedicated gaming mode called Shark Space that can be toggled on with a dedicated switch on the right side of the smartphone. This mode blocks notifications and calls while gaming. The phone also supports some gaming accessories such as a pair of controllers that look inspired by Nintendo's Joy-Con controllers. These are sold separately and pricing of the controllers hasn't been revealed yet. The textured back along with curved edges make the Black Shark 2 easy to grip. Small details such as the glowing S logo at the back and the edges that light up on both sides of the smartphone's frame make it look attractive. While gamers might like its looks, the Black Shark 2 may just be a bit too blingy for some. The Black Shark 2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC coupled with either 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This phone does not have expandable storage. The device runs on Android 9 Pie and ships with stock Android and no bloat whatsoever. Keeping the lights on is a 4000 mAh battery that supports Quick Charge 4.0. There's a USB Type-C port for charging, 2 nano SIM slots, but sadly there's no headphone jack. In terms of optics, the Black Shark 2 sports a dual rear camera setup that comprises of a 48 megapixel primary sensor with f1.75 aperture and a 12 megapixel secondary sensor with f2.2 aperture. The rear camera setup supports 2x optical zoom. Also, the phone comes with a 20 megapixel selfie camera at the front that has f2.0 aperture on top. The Black Shark 2 has been priced at $39,900. And that was our first look at Xiaomi's Black Shark 2 gaming smartphone. Stay tuned for a full review, and for more coverage on the Black Shark 2, visit gadgets360.com.